If you're a homeowner or you want to buy a home or sell a home here in Northern Virginia, Maryland, or DC, check this video out. So, what's going on in the market? Well, right now, for the most part, prices are stabilized. Prices are steady. They're hovering around the top of the market. If you look over the past several years, of course, you're probably already aware that there's been a dramatic increase of prices. That happened during the pandemic. Why? It happened because people that lived in a condo, like in DC or maybe even in Arlington or some parts of Alexandria, they wanted to get a bigger home, right? And so I want to go from a condo to a townhome because I got all these kids that are, climbing all over top of me, and I'm working from home now, and I gotta, I gotta live, like it's just too much. And so because of that, the people in the smaller properties wanted larger homes, and the people in the larger homes, they didn't need to sell. Okay, but guess what, Mr. Large Homeowner? If I gave you an extra $100,000, would you sell? Oh, yes, I would. And because of that, prices increased throughout the pandemic. But then, because of all the government stimulus and the things that they had to do throughout the pandemic, guess what happened next? Inflation. Inflation happened next. And because of inflation, you had like this second run of price escalations. And as a result of that, guess what the Fed's doing? They rose the interest rates. In fact, they rose the interest rates the highest spike ever since the 1978, right? Like we're going way back, probably before your lifetime. Maybe not, you're older than me. But either way, for a very, very long time, has it been that interest rates have spiked as they have recently. But guess what? Take a look at that chart again, because where do you notice where the interest rates are? You notice that we're still below the average over the last 40 years at least. So I believe that the interest rates are sort of going to hover around that 6% range. They're about, give or take, it won't go back to 2%. It won't go back to 3%. It probably won't ever go back to 4% or 5% even. 6% is probably what you can expect. So if you're thinking to sell, but you're like, hey, I don't want to, pay that higher interest rate, on the next home that I buy, it's sort of all, relative. Okay. What you have to understand is the market right now is relative. So interest rates have risen. Right now they're hovering around 6%. And the index, meaning this is the demand versus the supply. Right now there's less supply than there is demand. So if you're thinking to sell, there's going to be probably a couple different buyers that are interested to buy your home. And I already mentioned to you, Steady Freddy. There it is right there. Those are the monthly stats as of May 2023. I'm filming this almost in June. I'm filming this at May 30th, 2023. So that's the most up-to-date record. And right now, the home demand is steady. That means that there's an equilibrium in the market. Now, if you live in Alexandria, Arlington, Herndon, Bethesda, it's a completely different market based off of your geographic location from one to the other. So if you want to understand exactly what's going on in your neck of the woods, hit me up and I can help you out. So if you're thinking to buy or sell, or you just want to know what's going on with your property, hit me up anytime, night, day, weekends. I don't care. You can send me a text, 703-346-2776. Email me, Dan@greetingsvirginia.com. There's not a nook or a cranny I don't understand here in this market, and I want to be able to help you decipher your situation to help you solve a problem, achieve a goal, or whatever it is that your need is. Thanks.